Hello people of the World Wide Web. Today I'm going to set this 486 based computer up as a Tor hidden service. Okay, I have a Torchat ID maker and onion domain generator called Garlic. It's a Windows program that actually runs even under Windows 98, so that's pretty cool. So generating the domain I want to have would take 8.6 days, so I will simply use this program on a way faster machine, and then I'm going to have my custom onion domain. So yes. Okay, now I have generated the key using Garlic and I have copied it into my Raspberry Pi, and I configured Tor to redirect any ingoing connections to this domain to the 486. Yes, now I'm going to set up the 486 and then I am finished with setting up the Tor hidden service on a DOS machine. Okay, I have set up the 486 to be a web server, so I am starting mtcp and I'm going to start the HTTP service. And it's a running web server, and Tor is redirecting any connections that go into this Ricardo domain to this computer. So let's try this out. So just for the purpose of proving it, I am using this ThinkPad and access the 486 directly without Tor. Run 92.168.2.4 and it's loading, and it just appeared on the log. Yes, so let's use this machine and use our Internet Explorer that is configured to be a Tor browser to access our stuff indirectly. Let's cancel this and let's type in our domain. So Ricardo MX E7 CWTRE.onion. And it's loading the image. It's a huge bitmap file. And there it is. We have a Tor hidden service running on a 486. So yes, I show it here. There it is connected directly to this computer using its IP, and there it is accessing it as a Tor hidden service. So I'm not fooling you people, and later I'm going to drive away and try to access this Tor hidden service with my regular phone. Okay, now we are in the middle of nowhere. But we are having a simple edge connection. Okay, now we do have 4G, and I'm going to connect with the Tor browser. It's really, it's the middle of nowhere. It's establishing a connection, and let's type in our domain. And let's load the site, and it's actually available. It's available from the middle of nowhere, from a 486. So yes, I think that's the coolest thing I have ever done. So yeah. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe and stuff. Oh, and I totally forgot to show you my Easter egg that I have implemented in this website. So if you're actually clicking this link using Windows 95 or Windows 98, it will exactly do this.